Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy Bliss, and I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. This will be my unboxing for my MacBook Air 13.3 inch, and I wanted to really share this experience with you. This is my very first, well, my second Apple purchase at all. I know, guys, do not laugh. I'm moving on up, but a little bit late. But I have never purchased an iPhone or an Apple product by any means before 2020. So in 2020, I purchased my very first iPhone 12 Pro Max, the gold one, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I was not so sold on it right off the back, but I definitely grew into loving iPhone products just in general. So this right here is the product that we're gonna be unboxing. Yes, I say we because I'm a little nervous and I'm kind of intimidated, but you guys are gonna roll with me, so let's get ready. So I just purchased the MacBook Air, and wow, it looks amazing. You get it out of this box, super slim. As you can see, the MacBook Air is a lot slimmer than most of the Apple computers that are out here right now. That's kind of why I got it. I'm gonna be doing not only filming content, but also I need something that is good for travel as well as accessibility. So I am really loving this. So let's see what else they give us in the box. This is the instructions, I'm sure. Okay, great. Welcome to MacBook Air. Automatically starts up. Free touchpad, awesome. Okay, so we've opened the instructions. Is there anything else in here? Okay, so the product comes with the charger for the computer, as well as the charging wire for the computer. I'm thankful to see this. I know that a lot of people have been complaining online that like Apple is not even providing chargers, but that might just solely be for the phones. So we have this long charging wire. I noticed that Apple doesn't really give you long chargers, so I'm really grateful that they give you a long charging wire for the computer at the very least. It was very simple unboxing, but this is absolutely amazing. I'm so excited, I can't even express. Wow, this is super slim. I love it. I really love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you think that this is a valuable purchase, not only for content creation, but also just in general. Like I said, this is my first experience, and this will officially be my first time opening up my MacBook. So I guess it's loading right now, getting everything together. But I'm not gonna bore you guys with this wait time, but I just wanted to share this experience with you guys. I'm very excited. All right, I'm not gonna give y'all all my stuff because y'all know I only speak French, y'all hear it. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you think that this is a valuable purchase, press the return key. This is definitely gonna be a learning process for me. I've not much experience with using Apple products at all, but let me know in the comments if you think that this was a good, valuable purchase. I'm sure most of you who are watching this channel are very well versed with using Apple products, but I am very new, so I'm extremely excited. Don't laugh at me, but we will be learning together. I want to thank you for tuning in today, and please let me know down in the comments what other kind of content you would like from me and my channel. But I do definitely want to hear from you, so Thank you again for signing on, tuning into my channel. This is your boy Bliss, and I'm out. Take care.